Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing an install video on the Boss Audio BCPA10 single DIN unit. It is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible, so that's pretty awesome. Right here we're pretty much just doing the video outside, filming the install and stuff. I had my friend Ivan from Angelino's Customs do the install. He did the install on the Trailblazer as well. Probably one of the best installers in LA. So if you guys need anything, you guys can contact him. I'll leave all his information down below. Everything was pretty awesome, but I mean, it was a long process, and I don't think you guys really want to watch play by play unless you do. But so I sped it up for you guys a little bit, and in a bit I'm gonna show you some of my favorite features on the unit, which were well, you might as well just get into them, right? My overall favorite feature that's probably just has nothing to do with it is that you can remove the unit. So for example, right here at the end, we're going to show you where you can adjust it. You can go up, down, side to side, you can tilt it, whatnot. But my favorite part is if let's say you live in a shady neighborhood, or for some reason you don't want to leave your unit in the car, because let's be honest, theft is a thing. You can just pop it open, take it out, and take it inside with you. I mean, it would suck if they stole your car, but I mean, at least your Boss Audio BCPA10 is safe, right? So that's one of my favorite features about it, and of course the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. But overall, it's an awesome unit. I really wish I could put it in mine, but I already have something for that. So yeah, man, this is a pretty cool unit to have. If you want to get one for yourself, you can go ahead and go to bossaudio.com and use code Junior Showcase. That'll get you 15% off. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment, email, DM on Instagram, contact Boss Audio on Instagram. They're always very helpful. You can send them an email as well. But overall, I'd say this is probably it's probably one of my favorite units, man. So go check that out. It also has the, it changes colors, like on the, I mean, I don't know, something so simple like that. Just, I think that's pretty awesome. GPS, the whole bit. So go check that out if you guys want to get yourself one. They have all kinds of other units, systems, a lot of cool new stuff I didn't see before. So be sure to check that out. And if you have any questions, don't forget, just drop a comment, DM, email, the whole thing, man. We reply here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
It's cool. I like this spot. It's not even el Pioneer que tengo, el otro. Para quitarle esta madre.
It's hard or what?
Yeah, it's hard.